tree limb damage on this beautiful Challenger, unfortunately here. Now, you're probably going to say, this has to go to a body shop, right? Nope, we can actually fix this damage without having to repaint anything on this car, replace any parts. We're not going to affect the factory paint finish on this beautiful Dodge Challenger, and we're going to do this at the customer's home. Now, you're probably wondering, why is that so important? Why is it so important to keep the original paint? Well, for one, the original paint on your vehicle is designed to last the entire lifetime of the vehicle when properly maintained. It's put on there from the factory. It has the best adhesion. It's the most resilient paint job you'll ever get. And two, we're actually not putting any kind of body fillers in this area. Now, if they took this down to the body shop, they would have to literally grind this paint off down to bare metal and then pull the dent out the best they could, and then basically fill whatever damage they couldn't get out using a body filler, which is basically kind of a flexible putty that fills in any kind of damaged area or masks any damaged areas that there might be left over. And we're straightening this metal back out, and we're doing it in a fashion that allows the paint to stay intact and allows the metal to come back to its original shape. And why not do it this way? It is literally the best auto body solution that you can receive, because it literally is like turning back time. Everything remains the same as it was before it was damaged. So do yourself a favor, hire a skilled technician to perform these repairs at a high level, and you will thank yourself. This repair was actually paid for by the customer's insurance policy and was taken care of in a matter of hours. And super happy customer owning this Dodge Scat Pack Challenger, knowing that this car remains original. If you have any further questions about paintless dent repair, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or you can go on the website where you'll find more educational information about the valuable paintless dent repair process. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, become educated about paintless dent repair. Thank you.